It's John Planet Tech, and this is me redoing this file all over again. So I just done this, and this was a request by a user, so this file will be down specifically below since this is what they requested, but I will have to rebuild this entire thing all over again. So let's get straight to this, because I have work tomorrow. Okay, so starting a new one, boom. New 3D entire project. Okay, we're going to delete our box. This is Copper Cube 6, however you can use Copper Cube 5 if you would like. Okay, we have a room. And now we're going to create another room. And we're going to create a wall. And we're going to clean up my mess a little bit. Boom. Boom. Okay, so that's good enough. We're going to do a flat ceiling. Ceiling texture is going to be metal stuff. The floor texture is going to be this gold stuff. And then that wall texture going to be the brick stuff. Boom. This is it. Okay. So we're trying to go from one room to the next room, but we have the issue. So our goal is to basically have a door to where it says, hey, you need a key. So it's like one of those horror doors. If I had a little bit more time, I would have used one of my Unity assets. But I don't have permission to share that. So we're going to need a couple things. So we're going to need a player. Okay, real quick, let's just make this a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to create some lights. And then I'm going to make this entire materials dynamic. Boom. So that it is a smidge bit more interesting. Okay. And then we need a door, cube, yes. And this texture will work. There we go. Okay, scale it. Let's move it a smidge bit. Boom. Copy paste. Okay, move it there. Okay, cool beans. Okay, so this is our door. Move it a smidge this way. And our goal is that we're going to need a key, so we're going to create a key. We're going to create a billboard. I will have a key texture for it. So we're just going to put this as it is, kind of down below, and easy access. And then we're going to create a character or a camera. First person. Boom. Hunky dory. We're going to set this there. We're going to run a quick test. Going to run around the room. Okay, there's some dynamic lighting. Woohoo. Create a cube. cube. Boom. Alright, there we go. Okay, so I just did that for a little bit of fun. Alright, so what are we going to need? We're going to need open up doors, so we're going to need a GUI on the screen. We're going to scale it properly. We're going to go to attributes. We're going to go draw text. To say text is going to be... Let's do this properly. The door is locked. I'm gonna need a key to open it. Boom. Okay. And then... Okay. Increase the text a smidge bit. Go to publish, execute. Gonna need... Okay, it's gonna be a... Gonna need to be bigger. Okay, now we don't need this to be visible, so we're going to turn it off. But what we're gonna do is in our new 3D scene, we're going to go to our behaviors. We're gonna go before. Okay. Before something, also on reload, we're going to set this door logic to variables and text, set or change a variable. So the variable is going to be door. Why do we need this variable? So this is going to be a key activated door. So you're going to need a key to unlock this door. It's going to be, a key pick up from a body or from like a drawer or just like some random place. Okay, so it's set to 0. That means it's closed. Okay, and then on proximity to something, it's going to be the camera enters radius. Set or change a variable. Door is set. We're going to add the variable of 1. And we're going to say delete it. Since we don't want to keep adding the variables. Delete a scene node. That's going to be that billboard. Boom. Boom. Okay. So on this door, we're going to set a proximity alert. Set that to 30. Oop. Okay. Enters radius, what is it going to do? Variable. If the door is equal to the value of 1, action. Okay, hold up. We're going to do something real quick. We're going to move this door, and we're going to copy that location in 3D space. Control copy, undo, go to behaviors, action. Okay. So if door is equal to the value of 1, so if that variable is equal to that value of 1, we're going to change the position of the scene node. With scene node, it's going to be cube mesh 1. Yes, it's going to be animated. Position, copy, yes. Else, we're going to unhide or make visible, select R 2D overlay. Boom. Boom. Okay. So what this should do, the door is locked. I'm going to need a key to open it. Okay. And so, proximity, behaviors on proximity, let's make that 20 or 32. Leaves radius, we're going to hide our 2D overlay, make invisible, okay, and then we're also going to set position, copy. So this thing's already not going to move, but in case it does, we'll have it, the closing code already done. Okay. So on proximity, do something. This is going to add 1 to the value of our door. So if we add that, okay, so we're going to, door is locked. I'm going to need a key to open it. Picks up key. Door's open. Oop. Okay, so what I did was I enabled our physics engine because I wanted to have a little bit of fun with that. We're going to have to disable physics. Only collision, and then we're going to delete that cube. Okay, so door is locked. I'm going to need a key to open it. Picked up the key. Open door. Closing door. Boom. Now our next door is this one. Okay, and this one is going to be a smidge bit different. Okay, so I'm going to do this in the next video since this one a little bit longer. So in the next video we're going to do it to where we click E. It's going to request we click E and then we open it. So you'll see that in a bit. Okay, bye guys.